going on? Welcome to my home. I just got my order in from ABC Window Cleaning Supply. I am just getting ready to open it now. We got ourselves some standoffs by Lock. Yeah, I'm pretty excited about these. They're pretty lightweight. They got some padding up here. If you guys have these, go ahead and post in the comments. Tell me what you think about them. Also have some extend-a-leg, ladder leg levelers for our 28-foot ladder as well. If you have these levelers, please let me know what you think about them. And if you have the best levelers on the market, let me know what they are and tell me about them. Thanks. A gallon of Glisten Glass Cleaner Super Concentrate. This is a really awesome soap that we've been using and we look forward to using in the future, definitely. If you have any questions, go ahead and ask about it. We do also have a video coming up on this soap, just talking about what we think about it and all that good stuff. But I did buy a gallon of it for a reason. I did pick up a Triple Crown pole tip for my trad pole. I have a Sorbo wide body fixed handle here. I also picked up this red microfiber sleeve from ABC Window Cleaning Supply. We have the 22-inch Unger Ergotech T-bar with the 22-inch Unger green microfiber sleeve. And the 22-inch T-bar is aluminum with a plastic and rubber handle. And it also has the button here so that you can swivel it or leave it in the fixed position. We also picked up a few channels as well. We have the 18-inch Super Channel by Ettore. We've got the 18-inch Sorbo Cobra with the little plastic plugs there. We're going to try that out. We're going to try the Unger S Plus channel, 18-inch with the dog-eared corners. This is something that we're going to try out with our swivel tools with the flick pad. And last but not least, we picked up an Unger Ergotech Ninja 14-inch channel. I do have a quart-size bottle of this Glisten for a lucky winner. I will announce January 1st. Please leave in the comments that you are interested in the bottle. Leave a like and subscribe to the page, and that will get you in for your chance to win a quart-size bottle of this wonderful Glisten concentrated soap. But for now, guys, have a beautiful day. Happy window cleaning to you. And happy holidays, guys.